Division, equal grouping. Today, it is the king of the forest, Sher Khan's birthday. All the animals of the forest have been invited for the birthday celebrations. Different animals are sitting in groups. Let us see how the rabbits are sitting. There are 10 rabbits and they are sitting in 2 groups. Each group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rabbits seated in them. Now, let's look at it in another way. A total of 10 rabbits are seated in 2 groups, each group having 5 rabbits. It is called dividing in equal groups. Distributing things equally among people or making equal groups of people or things is called division. What are we doing here? Forming 2 equal groups of 10 rabbits. So we can call it as a group. Dividing 10 rabbits in 2 equal groups, there are 5 rabbits in each group. This is the total number of things to be divided. This is a symbol of division. This is the total number of groups. This is the total number of things in each group. In this lesson, we will develop an understanding of how to divide things into equal groups. Oh, who is this? Appu the elephant. He is bringing 3 necklaces for Sher Khan as a birthday gift. Oh no! Appu slips down and all the necklaces are broken. Appu had a total of 9 pearls in his 3 necklaces. Can you help Appu make 3 necklaces with equal pearls again? Let's do it together. First, we will put 1 pearl in each necklace. Now, we have 6 pearls left. Now, we will put 1 more pearl in each necklace. Now we have 3 pearls left. Now finally, we will put 1 last pearl in each necklace. Appu has no other pearls left. And his 3 necklaces are ready. Let's see how many pearls are there in each necklace. Yes, each necklace has 3 pearls. In other words, Appu's 9 pearls were divided into 3 equal groups and each group had 3 pearls. Let us see what the monkeys are doing at the party. 3 monkeys started feeling hungry in the party. They saw 12 samosas on the table. Can you help divide 12 samosas equally among 3 monkeys? Let's do it together. Yes, every monkey will get 4 samosas here. There are 12 samosas here. Divide them into 3 equal groups. So, there will be 4 samosas in each group. What does Badbole tailor have in his hand? Sher Khan's mother asked Badbole tailor to make some shirts for Sher Khan's special friends. The tailor attaches 4 buttons to each shirt. He has 12 buttons. Let's see how many shirts will he be able to put buttons on? After putting 4 buttons on the first shirt, the tailor had 8 buttons left. Now, 4 buttons are left after putting 4 buttons on the second shirt. After putting 4 buttons on the third shirt, all the buttons are over. After creating groups of 4 buttons, 12 buttons were divided into 3 groups. In this lesson, we developed an understanding of how to divide things into equal groups. In the previous lesson, we developed an understanding of how to divide things into equal groups. Let us now look at some examples to understand this in more detail. Example 1. Do you like laddus? Golu Panda also likes to eat laddus just like you. Golu Panda saw 20 laddus. He wants to carry laddus equally for his friends. He has 4 empty plates. Can you help him divide these 20 laddus equally into 4 plates? We can write this question this way. 4 equal groups of 20 laddus equal to how many laddus per group? First, we will put 1 laddu in each plate. We will repeat it till all the laddus are over. We can see that there are 5 laddus in each plate. In this way, 4 equal groups of 20 laddus equals to 5 laddus per group. Hey, oh, what happened? Who is hidden under so many gifts? Oh look, it is Sher Khan. The poor guy was buried under a pile of gifts. Can you help him keep the gifts in his cupboard? You can keep 5 gifts in every shelf. So, tell me how many shelves will be required to keep 25 gifts of Sher Khan? We can write this question like this. 25 gifts divide 5 gifts per shelf equals to how many shelves? First, we will put 5 gifts on one shelf. Now, we have 20 gifts. Now we will keep 5 gifts on the second shelf. So now we have 15 gifts. Now we will put 5 gifts on the third shelf. We have 10 gifts now. Now we will keep 5 gifts on the fourth shelf. So we are left with 5 gifts now. Now we will put 5 gifts on the fifth shelf. All the gifts are now over. Oh wow! Look, Sher Khan is so happy. Hope you have understood the concept of division better through these examples. If you want to review these examples, then you can watch this video again. In the next video, we will cover some common mistakes related to this. division, equal grouping, common mistakes. Gaggu Hippo is walking merrily. He saw some clusters of green grass at some distance. On going closer, he saw that 5 of his friends were already there. There are 36 clusters in total. Can you divide these grass clusters equally between Gaggu and his friends? Can you choose the correct option from the options given below? Let us evaluate each option to find the right one. Let's look at option 1. We can also write this option as 5 equal parts of 36 clusters of grass equals to how many cluster per friend per part? In this option, we see that total number of items equals to 36 clusters. Total parts equals to 5 friends, parts. We have to find out how many clusters are there per friend, per part. But what will poor Guggu eat? In this option, we have not included Gaggu while calculating the total parts. Here, the total number of parts is wrong. For this reason, this option is incorrect. This is a very common mistake that we make when we divide. Always count the total number of parts correctly. Now, let's look at option 2. In this option, 6 friends are being divided into 36 grass clusters, which is wrong according to this question. For this reason, this option is incorrect. This is a very common mistake that we make while performing division. Now let's look at option 3. We can write this option like this. 36 clusters divided among 6 friends is equal to how many clusters per friend per part? In this option, we have divided 36 clusters into 6 friends. Thus, it is the right option. Children, in this video, we learned to develop an understanding of the division of things into equal groups. We also learned to use them with examples and also saw some common mistakes. We hope that this video lesson will be useful for you.
In this lesson, we will learn